In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the word finder function on an accent device. I have a Unity 60 sequenced file open here, and there are two ways that I can navigate to the word finder, which will allow me to search for any word in the vocabulary if I don't know where it is. The first way is by looking under the device icon in the top activity row and selecting word finder. I can now type in any word that I'm looking for, which will then come up and show me the sequence. I can choose to either have the device show me by flashing the sequence up for me to remember, or if I go back into it, I can use the guide me function, which will allow me to make a selection on the highlighted icons to practice the sequence. The other way that I can access the word finder is by looking in the keyboard icon. In the top row, you'll see word finder, and it will function exactly the same as it did when I found it under the device icon. If you don't have a device icon in the top row of your Unity file, access the word finder through the keyboard, and likewise, if you're using a LAMP Words for Life file, you can access the word finder under the keyboard as well.